Okay, so give that lace a break and try the V part. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by CurlsCurls. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, if you want to see how I installed this V-part minimal leave out no crochet wig on my thin hair, y'all know all up in here, yes, make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Like I said, this unit comes to us from CurlsCurls. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check it all out, you can. I did go in and wash my unit. First, I did the soak with the Dawn dish soap. I let that sit for about 5 minutes. Taking this hair out the water was not really, you know, that brown color. It was more like a, you know, a cloudy gray, which is good if you know human hair wigs. So, you know, not too dirty, but a soak was still needed. And then I went in with my wig shampoo and conditioner spray and washed the unit. Even though this is a textured kinky curly unit, the hair didn't tangle a lot. I didn't have to use a lot of wrist action to detangle my unit. I did use my detangler brush as always to do that, as well as to clump my curls. And then I went in with 2 products. This is not something that you have to do. I just started it on one side, so I just completed it on the other. I started using my Nairobi mousse as usual, and then I was going to go in with some type of curl glaze or, you know, setting gel. I forgot that I had the texture foam, the Mousse Depth texture foam, and I was like, oh, let me use that. So I ended up using both of these. Technically, you don't need both. If you only use the Nairobi mousse, it will come out a lot more frizzier, but with the Mousse Depth texture foam, it keeps the shape a lot longer. So instead of diffusing the unit, I did sit it under my ceiling fan, which allows the hair to dry a little bit faster, but it makes the hair crunchy. So as you can see right here, I did use my blow dryer on high heat to break up that crunchiness in the unit, and it's a lot softer now without disturbing my curls. This is their seamless V-part unit. I'm gonna cut that open right there and there. Ooh, I was shaking. CurlsCurls is known for giving curls from root to tip, and they kept that same energy with the V part. We're gonna use that to our advantage. Y'all know I don't really care for the clips or the combs around the V part. I mean, I understand why it's necessary. In using both, the clips, they snag in my hair more than the combs. I know the clips are more secure, and I have said that in the past that the clips are more secure, but just for my hair texture and the integrity of my natural hair, I would rather have the combs. Now for the center, we're gonna try this. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna do it pretty loose because I don't need it to be super tight because I don't want to create extra tension on my scalp. Braid it down, twist this down to the back. Let's wrap it down and then pull it to the back. Put that around. Okay, let me open up this one clip, bring this up a little bit, bring it right in the front like so. Bring it up a bit, right in the front, just like that. I'm gonna tighten it down. If it's too tight, just adjust your clips. Again, because I don't want it to pull at my root. Clip this second one as well, just to make sure it's gonna sit where I need her to. All right, that's how we're sitting so far. Now, for the parting, I'm gonna take an edge brush and I'm gonna back comb the hair like this. Brush it down around that root. Same thing with my hair right here in the front. Brush it down, brush it down. I gotta close that part up some. I'll take some of the hair and move it across to kind of close that gap up a little bit from over here. Then I'm gonna use my Toppik right in here, close it up a bit more. Got a little bit too much. Use the comb side and tease this down a bit more. back comb my edges a bit. I'm gonna use some of my hairspray right here just to hold all this in place. And then I'm gonna use my Fill Me In wand right here in the front. Close up some of this gap like so. If you use too much, no worry, just wipe it. Brush it out. Use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Just put some of that in my parting space just to define that a bit. I thought I was gonna have to crochet some hair in the back, but the way I kind of crisscross the hair over, it closes that up really nicely. The rest of that down. Well, that was easier than expected. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. I think it came out really, really nice. Y'all see this parting space? Thin hair where? Balding scalp who? Not me. And I can do multiple styles with this wig. It's just based on how you clip the hair onto, you know, your scalp. Even though this is a kinky curly unit, the hair is soft and manageable. The anchor braids, I would say, are optional, but I would suggest you do them just to give you a little bit more reinforcement around the parting space. Normally my wig with the shipping is $245. However, they are having an Easter sale, which makes this wig with the shipping about $220. So, you know, do what you will with that information. If you want a wig that you can kind of, you know, clip on and clip off, and I don't always want the lace on my face. It's starting to get a little warm outside. I want my hairline to breathe. That's what helps me, you know, sustain the edges that I do have. So give that lace a break and try the V part. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to CurlsCurls for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.